dear students, on behalf of Malross India Public School Bareilly, I thank all the parents for helping their children to learn at home. Now dear children, it's time to tell you the answer of the riddle I asked you on the last tutorial. Children, the answer is keyboard. Now let me ask you another one. What is that which has many branches but no fruits, no leaves or no trunk? Children, the objective of today's maths class is to teach you subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping method. Now children, this is subtraction of two-digit numbers. Let's try the first sum. 33 minus 14. Now we have two digits in the first number and two digits in the second number. Children, before starting subtraction of two digits, this is subtraction with regrouping. And the first thing you should know for regrouping is that 110 is equal to 10 ones. So let's start. The first step is arranging these numbers in columns. So T and O, tens and ones. The first number is 33 and the second number is 14. Subtraction sign. Now children, let's build up this number here. In the ones column, I have 3 ones. So 1, 2 and 3. In the tens column, I have 3 tens. So 1 10, 2 10 and 3 tens. Children, each strip represent 1 10 and one block represent 1 1. So we have 3 tens and 3 ones. Now what we have to subtract? To subtract means to take away. 4 we have to take away from the ones column. But we have 3. So we cannot take away 4. What we have to do? We will borrow 1 from here. Children, borrowing is called regrouping. Now what we have to do? We will take 1 10 from here and put it here. But this is the ones column. So I cannot put a 10 in a ones column. So what will I do? I will replace this 1 10 with 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I replaced 1 10 with 10 ones. Now how many I have here? I have 13. So this 3 will be written as 13. This will become 13. And this 3, now how many tens we have here? We have 2 tens. So this 3 will become 2. Now from 13 I have to subtract 4. So I will take away 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After taking away 4 or after subtracting 4, how many ones are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 ones are left here. And how many tens are left? 2 minus 1. So I will take away 1 10. How many tens are left? 1 10 is left. So the answer of this sum is 19. 65 minus 27. Now children, the first step. T and O, tens column and the ones column. 6 tens, 5 ones. Here 2 tens, 7 ones. We have to subtract. So let's build up the numbers here. In the ones column, the number is 5. So I will keep 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many tens? 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens and 6 tens. Now what I have to subtract? 7 from 5. This is not possible. Children, if you have 5 candies, you cannot give 7 to any other child. So what we have to do? We will go to the next door and borrow 1. This is called regrouping. I will change this 1 10 and put 10 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what I have to subtract? I have to subtract 7. So I will take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I am removing 7 ones. On removing 7 ones, how many ones are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this 5 will become 15 and from 15 I am subtracting 7. So 8 ones are left. Now I removed 1 10 from here. So this became 5. Now from 5 tens I have to remove 2 tens. 1 and 2. So I am removing 2 tens. After removing 2 tens, how many tens are left? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. So 3 tens are removed here and this is called difference. So when we subtract 27 from 65, the answer is 38. That 38 is the difference between 27 and 65. Now children, let's move on to the third sum. 72 minus 48. Now what will be the first step? Arranging them in groups, tens and ones. 72, what does that mean? 70 means 7 tens and 2 means 2 ones. 48, how many tens? 4 tens. How many ones? 8 ones. Subtraction sign and we have to subtract. Let's show the numbers in the tens and the ones column. How many ones? 2 ones. So let me keep 2 ones. How many tens? 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here I have 7 tens. 7 tens means 70 and here I have 2 ones. So what I have to subtract? 8 from 2, which is impossible. It is not possible to subtract 8 from 2. So what will I do? I will move to the next group and ask for 1 10. So I will remove 1 10 and replace 1 10 with 10 ones. I told you 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So I will keep 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, why I replaced 1 10 with these 10 ones? Because I cannot keep a 10 in the ones column. So now what will I do? Subtracting 2 from 18. Now how many do I have here? 1, 2 and 10 makes 12. So this will be written as 12. And how many tens are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So no more 7 tens. There are 6 tens. So 12 minus 8. Now when I removed 8, how many are left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will write 4 here. Now, children, in the tens column, I had 6. I have to remove 4. So, how many are left? After removing 4, how many are left? 2 tens are left. So, I will write 2. The difference between 72 and 48. Let's move on to another sum. 80 minus 35. Arranging them in groups, tens, ones. 8 tens, 0 ones. 3 tens, 5 ones. Subtract. Now children, let's show it here. In the ones column, how many ones? No ones. So there are no ones. In the tens column, how many tens are there? There are 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 tens. Now what I have to subtract? I have to subtract 5 from 0. Children, this is not possible. So I will move next door and ask for 110. So 110. I cannot keep this 110 in the ones column. What will I do? I will replace this 110 and keep 10 ones here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's show it here. So this 0 is no more 0. It is now 10. And this 8 is no more 8 because we have 7 ones here. So now subtracting 5 from 10. Now we can do it. So I will remove 5 ones. On removing 5 ones, what is left? I am left with 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write 5. In the tens column, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 tens. I have to remove 3. I will remove 3 tens. Now children, what is left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will write 4 here. So the answer is 45. This is the difference between 35 and 80. Now children, here are a few sums for your practice work.